Policeman shot and killed in Westmoreland identified. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Once again, the Jamaica Constabulary Force has been plunged into mourning following the tragic shooting death of a police constable in Westmoreland. The Police High Command has issued a statement condemning the brutal attack on the police constable in Chantilly, Savlamore, Westmoreland on Friday, April the 15th. The policeman has been identified as 47-year-old Richard Barrett, a constable who was assigned to the Little London police station in that parish. Reports are that the constable Richard Barrett, stationed at the Little London police station, was attacked and shot while he was at a bar in a section of the parish called Chantilly. Sources report that at around 8:50 p.m., the policeman was alone at the bar when three men entered the business establishment and started robbing him of cash and other valuables. The gunmen then shot the Jamaica Constabulary Force police officer several times before escaping. The injured police officer was taken to the hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. The licensed firearm of the policeman was recovered by detectives who arrived on the scene minutes later after the shooting. The Police High Command has expressed sadness to the family, friends and colleagues of the slain police constable, adding that the Jamaica Constabulary Force is committed to conducting a thorough investigation and a detailed one into the circumstances surrounding the police constable's death. The police will not be deterred by the latest attack. They will continue their focus on ridding the communities of gunmen and gangs who continue to cause death, pain and mayhem, the Police High Command issued in a statement. Anyone with information that may assist the police in their investigation is encouraged to call Crime Stop at 311, the police 119 emergency number or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll have more details to come on this in a current affairs program. Let's talk. Thanks for watching.